Hey everyone! Today, we have something special on our channel. We're diving into the world of Flash Loan Arbitrage with the Flash Bot. And, spoiler alert, in this video we earned 4 Ethereum, which is equivalent to $15,000. You're probably wondering how we did that, right? Well, stick around to find out. FlashBot is the first no-code arbitrage trading bot that leverages Flash loans. It opens up risk-free on-chain arbitrage opportunities by auto-matching and routing trades. This means even beginners can participate in complex arbitrage strategies without the risks or need for deep technical knowledge. So let's dive in and see how it works. First, head over to the FlashBot website. You can find the link in the description and in the pinned comment below. On the homepage, you'll find all the information you need about how the bot works and its features. If you have any questions that aren't answered on the site, don't hesitate to reach out to their live support. They're super helpful and quick to respond. Before we begin, make sure you have MetaMask installed in your browser. If you're using a phone, make sure to access the bot through your wallet's browser. Currently, the bot supports MetaMask and Trust Wallet. Next, before starting the arbitrage, you need to select your network. FlashBot works with both Ethereum and BNB chain. I'm choosing the Ethereum network for this demonstration. Additionally, we need to select a token for the arbitrage. I recommend using Wrapped Ether. Go to the token list section on the website and choose your preferred token. After choosing the network and token, input these details into the bot's interface and click Start Arbitrage Finder. Now, we need to wait a bit while the AI searches for the best arbitrage opportunities. This process can take some time, but the bot usually works very fast. Based on my personal experience, the results are always impressive. Once the bot finds suitable trades, you'll see a calculator on the screen. Here, you can choose the loan amount. Minimum is 0.1 ETH, but 0.25 ETH is recommended for higher profits. For this video, I'll select 0.150 ETH to demonstrate how the bot works with smaller amounts. Next, click the deposit button to pay the loan fee. After paying the fee, click Execute FlashBot Arbitrage. This button starts the arbitrage process. Let's wait a bit and see the results. It's important to note that the bot might ask for additional gas payment due to market volatility. Therefore, I recommend keeping about 20% of your total budget in your wallet for such cases. While the arbitrage is running, let's briefly go over how the bot operates. FlashBot uses Flash loans to borrow assets without collateral and performs arbitrage trades across different platforms. This allows you to profit from price differences between markets. If, for some reason, the arbitrage fails, your funds are automatically returned to your wallet. However, from my experience and the experience of my colleagues, this rarely happens. That's it! The arbitrage is complete. Let's check our wallet and see if we received the expected amount. Success! We earned 4 Ethereum as promised by the bot. This is just amazing. So, folks, this is how easy and quick it is to earn using FlashBot. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our new videos. Leave your comments and share your experience with the bot. See you in the next video, and happy arbitraging!